about po sa topic po namin. It's about kung AI po ay makakatulong po ba and how it will help reduce procrastination of students po. Especially studying 11 students po. So, the main questions. So, first, about the main factors of procrastination amongst 10, 11 students. So, question number one, we would like to ask, what do you think are the main reasons why you procrastinate when working on school assignments, especially in STEM subjects?
I think it's because of laziness personally. Before I would do the what we call the triage method, where we basically do the hardest subjects first. But now instead of doing my schoolworks or ACADS as a whole, I tend to take a rest before at least an hour or so before the passing of the said activity.
So, in that case, may ano po kayo, parang technique po yun para ma-reduce po yung procrastination at para magawa niyo po yung gawain mo po yun.
Yes. Pero at the same time, ngayon kasi hindi na siya na-apply, not that much at least.
So, in that case, the question number 2 po, how do you think the complexity of STEM subjects contribute to your tendency to procrastinate po? So, yung mga STEM subjects po, diba, how does it contribute sa tendency na maka-procrastinate po kayo?
Well, as we know, STEM subjects, they tend to be difficult for us 11 STEM students. Especially for those na hindi naman ganoon ka-specialized kung tatawagin in those kinds of subjects. I believe that it has a big impact on STEM students' procrastination. Many students, especially in other classes, they tend to have the mindset na, papagyan na lang ako.
So, in that case, parang malaki po talaga yung impact, especially in terms na mas maging complex pa yung topic na pag-aaralan po sa subject ng PNS. So, question number 3. Are you willing to rely on AI to help manage your study schedule and properly reduce procrastination? Why or why not?
AI is a great technology that we barely know about. Some people that say that its consequences will be great. Some say that it will have a dire consequence. I personally believe it's somewhere in the middle. It can lead to faster and more efficient ways for us to study or do any other activities in our daily lives. However, in the long term, I think that it will tend to degrade students' minds or their capabilities to solve problems on their own.
So, move on na po tayo. So, this is about the importance of addressing procrastination. So, question number 4, how does procrastination impact your personal life, such as sleep, extracurricular activities, such as club sport, or relationships?
Procrastination, I think, has a very great effect, not only on me, but majority of the students probably. I think that with procrastination, I haven't been able to sleep a lot, even though I tend to always just stay in bed, overthinking things kung paano ko gagawin yung activity na to, ganun. But in the long term, I think it has a very negative, very large negative effect on me as a whole person, on my well-being. So procrastination, it's just worsening over time.
So, move on na po tayo. So, question number 5. Do you think addressing procrastination is important for STEM students? Why or why not?
It is very important, I believe, because as STEM students, we almost have the stereotypes na tayo yung pinakamatalino in the whole senior high school program. Plus, our subjects, again, based on what I've heard so far, they tend to be very hard. Plus, as a STEM student myself, procrastination really has its bad effect on me personally. And so I believe that mitigating at least procrastination, it will lead to probably better grades, and as well as better critical thinking.
So move on po tayo sa last section po ng mga questions ko. So, it is about AI as an intervention for procrastination. So, question number 6 po. How do you think your own time management skills and habits contribute to your tendency to procrastinate on STEM-related assignments?
So I tend to pakirepeat ang mas.
Dapat mo yun.
Repeat ko mas.
How does procrastination impact? How do you think your own time management skills and habits contribute to your tendency to procrastinate on STEM-related assignments?
Again, I don't think that any other activities are really a factor on me procrastinating. It's just basically me wanting to take some more rest and well,
So
to be
kung
fair,
mas napoprolong yung kagustuhan ko na magpahinga po mga leisure activities po.
yes. And then, yeah, that's probably the number one cause of why I procrastinate, especially in STEM-related subjects.
So, question number 7 po. Have you ever used any AI-powered study tools? How was your experience?
I use what we call the revising, paraphrasing tool. It is a great tool, however, for me, I'd rather paraphrase my texts on my own. This way, I will learn more. Unlike using artificial intelligence tools. So,
And then, question number 8 po. Do you believe AI-powered tools such as personalized reminders and intelligent planners can be more efficient than traditional time management methods? And why?
So artificial intelligence, as we know, they base their answers on patterns that they find. I believe that we all have our own preferences, and so using AI maybe can help us. However, it's not as it can be under our expectations. It can disappoint us in some of its results, and I believe that creating our own personal time management plans or plans as a whole is better than using artificial intelligence.
And then last question po. What additional features do you think an AI-powered tool should have to further reduce procrastination po? So, if ever na gamitin niyo po yung mga AI tools po, ano po yung pwede niyo po maisip na additional features po na talagang makakatulong po talaga na ma-reduce po yung procrastination po?
So this is maybe a hot take, but I believe that some AI tools should be premium or yung tinatawag natin na tinatayaran. Because students tend to procrastinate more with using AI. They overuse it. Some students, some even tend to rely on it too much to the point that they don't even consider any other forms of answering or doing their activities. So I believe that that feature will greatly help reduce the students' procrastination.
Thank you po naman sa pagsasagot po. Salamat po.
Salamat po.